Hello, I am Pascal Garcia. I am working for Airbus Defense Space as a TSOC infrastructure system responsible. When we faced issues with virtual machines that were not running correctly, we had to have a way to get those backup running as soon as possible. Veeam is helping us for that. The TSOC is a Toulouse Satellite Operations Center. The center that we use to drive our satellites during the LEOP phase. We have around 60 telecommunication satellites that are up and running around the world. This monitoring of all satellites is something that is done without interruption, so this means that our infrastructure needs to be up and running all year long. We are storing the telemetry for all the satellites that we have currently in orbit. And even for the ones that have been deorbited, our managers count this as 600 years of telemetry that is stored in TSOC. So this is saved by Veeam as well, and this is something that we need to make sure that we are able to restore fast. The fact that the TSOC is always running helps all Airbus Defense Space to be more available to help the customers we have. If the TSOC was not running correctly during some operations, this could have an impact for the satellite life indeed. So this is something that we should avoid at all costs. So we are backing up every of our VMs now, which we could not do before we had Veeam and external backup repository. So it's really nice to be able to restore every VM really fast. All in all, I think Veeam has been a good partner for us, and I'm looking forward to working with them in the future, because I know they are going to support the evolution of the TSOC for the long term.